I can always find an excuse to put a portion of Singapore noodles on my takeaway order. Sometimes as a main, but if I'm feeling a little bit greedy, then it might be a side dish. We've got savoury, smoky and lovely spiced flavour in one dinner. It's the kind of dish that feels really special, but once you've got those ingredients prepped, it's really quick to pull together. Because once the prep's done, the cooking is fast. I've got 180 grams, which is about 6.5 ounces of dry vermicelli noodles. We're going to pour over some just boiled water and allow that to sit for about 2 minutes until those noodles soften. Then drain in a colander or a sieve and run over some cold water to stop the cooking process. Then we want to pour over about a teaspoon of sesame oil and toss together to stop those noodles from sticking and put to one side. Now we're going to make the curry sauce. I've got a tablespoon of medium curry powder, half a teaspoon of white pepper, a teaspoon of sugar and a teaspoon of turmeric. Add those into your bowl along with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. You can use light or all-purpose soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, a tablespoon of rice wine, a teaspoon of sesame oil and 2 tablespoons of cold water. And now mix that together until all the ingredients are thoroughly combined and put to one side. Now heat your wok over a medium to high heat, and once it's hot we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of oil. To the oil we add a small onion that's been thinly sliced, half of a red and half of a green bell pepper that's been thinly sliced, and a medium carrot that's been peeled and sliced into thin strips. We want to stir fry that together for about 2 to 3 minutes just to soften those vegetables slightly. Then we add in 2 cloves of minced garlic and stir fry that together for about 30 seconds. Next in goes 12 king prawns that have been deshelled and deveined. We want to cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes until they turn from grey to pink. If you want, you can use cooked prawns and just cook them for 2 minutes. Once those prawns are lovely and pink, we're going to add in the cooked shredded chicken and the sliced char pork. I've got 100 grams or about 3.5 ounces of each. And we're going to stir fry that together for about 2 minutes. Then move everything over to the side of the wok and into the space add 2 eggs that have been mixed together plus a teaspoon of soy sauce. We're going to fry the eggs, moving them constantly with the spatula until they're scrambled. Now mix the scrambled eggs in with the rest of the ingredients, and then we're going to add in 100 grams or 3.5 ounces of fresh bean sprouts. We're also going to add in those noodles that you softened earlier and then drizzle over that lovely sauce that we made earlier. Turn up the heat to high and stir fry everything together for about 4 to 5 minutes. We want to keep everything moving with your spatula until everything is hot throughout. Try to make sure that you're tossing everything together carefully with your spatula rather than mixing it together vigorously, because you don't want to break those noodles up too much. Once everything is hot throughout, you can turn off the heat and it's time to dish up. I like to use a set of tongs as well as my spatula to help transfer everything over to plates. And then don't forget to scoop up any of those lovely meaty chunks. Finish the dish by topping with some chopped spring onions and you're ready to go. You've got those thin rice noodles soaking up the warm, slightly spicy curry flavour with juicy prawns, tender chicken and little nuggets of char siu pork in every forkful. Oh my gosh.
That good?
That is delicious.